Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aysh, please subscribe. Today's video is a tutorial for this glowy evening kind of vibe. I thought I'll go for an evening look, but a little bit more soft. So I don't have my wings like I usually do. I'm getting used to this now. I'm getting used to not using wing liner. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Firstly, I would like to prep my skin. I want to use the NYX Total Control Primer Drops. This is new, I haven't used this yet, and it's really quite liquidy, so we'll see how this goes. And it does have a matte finish, so it is a primer and base, because I will be using foundation for this look. So I'll just drop this over my skin. It is very watery, so let's hope it doesn't drop too far. Oh, it's like milk. I'll just rub that into my skin. And I know that I have the most kind of pores here in this area. So I'll use that on my nose, forehead, chin. So my brows are already done. I just filled them with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. All I did was just fill the sparse areas. I didn't really like fully shape them or anything like that. For foundation, I would like to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 300. I'm gonna give that a shake and I will apply and blend this with my damp beauty blender. Squeeze a pump onto the back of my hand. I start with one pump and then I just add a second pump as I go along. Foundation is complete. I would like to start on my eyes. I'm going to start with my NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone to prep my eyes. I would like to use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set my eyelids, keep them in place for some more eyeshadow. My eyes are set and ready. I am going to go into my Androgyny palette by Jeffree Star. I feel like this palette has been catching some dust in my makeup drawer, so I thought I'll give it some love. I forgot how much I love this palette. So I am going to go for quite a warm toned evening look. The transition shade I would like to start with is this orange. It is called Charm. I'm going to apply that into my crease and really buff that out before I start adding the darker colours. I will be using my Morphe M330 brush to blend. For my darker shade, I will be going into this matte chocolate brown dominatrix, and I'm going to use my Spectrum A12 brush, which is a smaller fluffy brush, to apply it into a smaller area, so my outer corner, and just work that into my crease. I want to add some shimmer, and it is this beautiful copper shade here, and that is called Deja Vu. Apply that with a flat brush, a little bit of my Slay All Day setting spray on the brush. Not too much, just to help intensify that copper. There we go. All in this centre of my lid. Now that I've added the copper shade, I'm just going to blend in my crease slightly, just to help those bind together well. Soften the edges. Next, I'm going to conceal under my eyes with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and I am using the shade Golden. I'm going to put this under my eyes and I will blend that out with my beauty blender. Now I want to set under my eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. With my Inglot kohl pencil, I'm going to go into my waterline and I'll buff that out with some eyeshadow. I'm going to go back into the shade Charm and blend that into my lower lash line. Now, just to define my eyes slightly, I'm not going to add a wing or anything. I'm just going to use my Rimmel Glam Eyes Professional liquid liner, just a very thin line to define my eyes slightly. I am ready for some mascara now. I will use my Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. I will apply this off camera as it does take me ages and ages, so I will be back when it's done. My mascara is now on, so I am going to bronze up my face / contour with my NARS Laguna powder, and I'm going to use my lovely blush brush just to define my cheekbones and bronze me up slightly. For the fun part, I'm going to get myself all glowy and use the Topshop Glow Liquid Highlighter. This is in the shade Blaze. Drop this onto my cheekbones, well, just the high points of my face. Blend that out with my finger softly and then really blend it out with my beauty blender. Just a few drops here. Blend that slightly. I mean, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? And buff that out with my beauty blender. And if you have some left, you literally just apply into your collarbones. Very lovely and summery. Good to go. Good to glow. Get it? I love liquid highlighters because you can use them on your cheekbones to glow. You can even put a few drops into your moisturiser and like apply it all over your body, like on your legs if it's summertime, and you get that extra tanned kind of glow. I just love it. I am ready for lips. I'm just going to take a wipe and get off this excess foundation that landed on my lips. I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Cool Girl. It is a lovely natural kind of nude. I bought this the other day. I think I want to bronze myself up just a little bit more with my NARS Laguna. Just a bit more. And lastly, I will set my face with my Slay All Day setting spray in the scent Peach. I really like this look. It's very summery as well. It's quite a summery holiday kind of vibe. Also, if you don't want to use any liquid highlighter, or if you don't really like working with that kind of thing, then you can just use a powder highlighter. It will give you, you know, the same kind of result. That is my glowy evening soft makeup look complete. If you guys enjoyed this, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!